In this video, I will explain artificial intelligence and its basic concepts to you. We have been taught from the very beginning that computer is machine which does not have intelligence or IQ of its own, and it does what it is programmed to do. To overcome these issues, humans decided to provide human intelligence to the computer using dedicated algorithms for it. Artificial intelligence, AI, is a method for imitating human intelligence processes by creating and applying of algorithms built into a dynamic computing environment. In easy language, we can say that AI is a technique to try to make computers think and act like humans. The three main components to achieve AI are computational systems, data and data management, and advanced AI algorithms or codes. The more human-like the desired outcome, the more data and processing power required. Good quality and quantity of data, and also high efficiency of data processing power, is required for achieving high human-like intelligence output or outcome. The concept to make a machine that can mimic the human intelligence has been fascinating humans since 1st century BCE. The term artificial intelligence was first introduced in the year 1955 by John McCarthy and had the first AI conference in the year 1956, which was titled Dartmouth Summer Research Project on Artificial Intelligence. This marked the start of the creation of machine learning, deep learning, predictive analytics, and prescriptive analytics. It also gave rise to a whole new field of study known as data science. Let us discuss machine learning and deep learning. Machine learning is a critical technique that enables AI to solve problems. Machine learning is a purely analytical discipline. AI applies certain mathematical models or algorithms to data to extract knowledge and find patterns that humans would most likely miss. Machine learning also recommends actions to be taken, but it does not direct systems to take action without human intervention. More specifically, machine learning creates an algorithm or statistical formula that converts a series of data points into a single result. Machine learning algorithms learn through training, in which they identify patterns and correlations in data and use them to provide new insights and predictions without being explicitly programmed to do so. Deep learning is a form of machine learning algorithms. It uses multiple layers of algorithms to solve problems by extracting knowledge from raw data and transforming it at every level. Deep learning can outperform traditional machine learning, often referred to as shallow learning techniques, by working with complex and often high-dimensional data, such as images, speech and text. In most organizations, deep learning solutions are not yet a significant part of the product of the process, as rule-based systems or traditional machine learning can effectively enable most AI use cases today. The use of deep learning is quickly increasing alongside advancements in data processing and breakthroughs in computational techniques. Using machine learning, including deep learning, to make predictions enables an AI-driven process to automate the selection of the most suitable result. On the contrary, this eliminates the need for a human as a decision maker. Now let us discuss some important key technology terms which you need to know about artificial intelligence. Natural language processing, often referred to as NLP, permits an intuitive form of communication between humans and intelligent systems using human languages. NLP works in managing modern interactive voice response, often referred to as IVR systems, by processing language to improve communication. Chatbots are the most common application of NLP in business. Advanced virtual assistants, sometimes called conversational AI agents. This is assisted by using conversational user interfaces, NLP, and semantic and deep learning techniques. The advanced virtual assistants listen to and observe behaviors, build and maintain data models, and predict and recommend actions to assist people with and automate tasks that were previously only possible for humans to accomplish. Computer vision, often referred to as CV, is a process that is used to capture, process, and analyze real-world images to allow machines to extract meaningful, contextual information from the physical world. CV technique consists of technology and infrastructure, which is required to differ from traditional ML approaches. CV using its technological techniques is becoming more accurate at identifying organic objects, forms the basic concepts used in the development of applications such as self-driving cars, autonomous drones, and automated retail stock checks. Internet of Things, or IoT, is a system of interrelated computing devices. Mechanical and edge AI refers to the AI techniques embedded at the point of reference where physical devices interact with the digital world. One example of edge AI that everyone knows is a self-driving car. The car constantly collects data around it, which it then analyzes in real time. There is no time to move data to the cloud and back since decisions must be made in a blink of an eye. Edge AI or AI at the edge underpins the Internet of Things, IoT. The INT digital machines, objects, animals or people that are provided with unique identifiers, UIDs, and the ability to transfer data over a network without requiring human-to-human or human-to-computer interaction. A thing in the Internet of Things can be a person with a heart monitor implant, a farm animal with a biochip transponder, an automobile that has built-in sensors to alert the driver when tire pressure is low, or any other natural or man-made object that can be assigned an Internet protocol, IP, address and is able to transfer data over a network. Times generative AI refers to artificial intelligence algorithms that enable using existing content like text, audio files, or images to create new plausible content. In other words, it allows computers to abstract the underlying pattern related to the input, and then use that to generate similar content. It offers immense benefits such as ensuring the generation of higher quality outputs by self-learning from every set of data, lowering the risks associated with a project, training reinforced machine learning models to be less biased, enabling depth prediction without sensors, enabling localization and regionalization of content via deepfakes, allowing robots to comprehend more abstract concepts both in simulation and the real world. Synthetic data is artificially generated by the use of machine learning. It mirrors the statistical properties of real data. On the contrary, it does not use that data's identifying properties like their names and personal details. AI needs huge quantity of data to generate useful outcomes, and synthetic data will be an important source of large datasets that can model outlying scenarios while protecting sensitive and personal data. The growing importance and requirement of artificial intelligence in present time is due to the massive amount of data that is being produced by both humans and machines, which is way beyond humans' ability to absorb, interpret, and make complex decisions based on that data. Artificial intelligence forms the basis for all computer learning and is the future of all complex decision-making. As an example, most humans can figure out how to not lose at tic-tac-toe or noughts and crosses, even though there are 255,168 unique moves, of which 46,080 end in a draw. Computers are extremely efficient at calculating these combinations and permutations to arrive at the best decision. AI, and its logical evolution of machine learning and deep learning are the foundational future of business decision-making. The key features of artificial intelligence technology are that AI automates repetitive learning and discovery through data. Instead of automating manual tasks, AI performs frequent, high-volume, computerized tasks. And it does so reliably and without fatigue. Of course, humans are still essential to set up the system and ask the right questions. AI adds intelligence to existing products. Many products you already use will be improved with AI capabilities, much like Siri was added as a feature to a new generation of Apple products. Automation, conversational platforms, bots and smart machines can be combined with large amounts of data to improve many technologies. Upgrades at home and in the workplace range from security intelligence and smart comms to investment analysis. AI adapts through progressive learning algorithms to let the data do the programming. AI finds structure and regularities in data so that algorithms can acquire skills. Just as an algorithm can teach itself to play chess, it can teach itself what product to recommend next online. And the models adapt when given new data. AI analyzes more and deeper data using neural networks that have many hidden layers. Building a fraud detection system with 5 hidden layers used to be impossible. All that has changed with incredible computer power and big data. You need lots of data to train deep learning models because they learn directly from the data. AI achieves incredible accuracy through deep neural networks. For example, your interactions with Alexa and Google are all based on deep learning. And these products keep getting more accurate the more you use them. In the medical field, AI techniques from deep learning and object recognition can now be used to pinpoint cancer on medical images with improved accuracy. AI gets the most out of data. When algorithms are self-learning, the data itself is an asset. The answers are in the data. You just have to apply AI to find them. Since the role of the data is now more important than ever, it can create a competitive advantage. If you have the best data in a competitive industry, even if everyone is applying similar techniques, the best data will win. Let us discuss about AI technology applications in real world. The reason there is so much talk about as to how AI could revolutionize the world and change the future, but the fact is that AI solutions are already being applied in virtually every industry, with excellent results. Let us just discuss few specific applications where artificial intelligence has proven to be incredibly effective. Healthcare AI applications are being used to deliver personalized medicine, providing patients with reminders about when to take their medicine, and suggestions about which specific exercises they should perform. Retail AI technology is applied in retail environments to handle stock management, design more effective store layouts, and provide personalized shopping recommendations via Amazon's You May Also Like suggestions, as well as personalized viewing suggestions via Netflix's machine learning-driven recommendation algorithm. Manufacturing AI solutions are used to forecast load and demand for factories, ensuring they run as efficiently as possible by helping to make better decisions about logistics and planning for materials ordering, timetables to project completion, etc. Banking AI systems are being used to review financial transactions to detect fraudulent activity, assess credit scores with greater accuracy, and automate tasks requiring manual data input and data management. Life sciences AI technology is being applied to test new medicines, allowing organizations to bring them to market sooner, and to analyze large and complex data sets that help discover new, more effective therapies and pharmaceutical drugs. Clearly, AI has already been applied to a whole host of important processes, but there are hundreds or even thousands of additional applications for virtually every sector of the modern economy. This is all about artificial intelligence in this video. Stay tuned for more such upcoming technology-related videos. Please do like, comment, and subscribe my channel. Do not forget to press the bell icon to get the update of all new posted videos on this channel. Thank you for watching and take good care of yourself.